Hello my lovely people. Today I'm going to be doing a review on one brand of wigs. I'm going to be reviewing some wigs, so this will come off shortly, but for now let's just leave it there. And the brand is Webster Wigs. You might have seen them on Instagram. They have like such beautiful styles and I've been eyeing them for quite a while. They're not the cheapest, but they're not super expensive either. But during the Black Friday sale there was, I believe, like 15% off, so I decided to try it out. They come in bags like these. Here I have amber and glacier blue, and here I have Ellie in bright red. So let's get this one out first. Of course they come in the little mesh netting, and I've already cut the lace, but they do have nice lace in front, so you can cut it to your liking. But first of all, the feel is so incredible. Like they're really nice synthetic fibers, and the color is just so gorgeous. I love this vibrant red. I've been wanting a red wig for a while. So the feel of these synthetic fibers is really nice. There are a few like threads sticking out. You see right there's one, and there's like two tiny ones there, but it's no problem. I can just loop them onto this side or cut them off. And second of all, like the lace part, I like how it's not super dense at the lace, because a lot of wigs tend to be really dense and they just look extra artificial, and I don't like that. I mean, I'm not trying to fool anybody that this is my hair, but I kind of like it to have a more of a natural hairline. They also come with a few hair cups. I mean, each wig has its own, just a regular sock that you can buy at the store. It also comes with a pamphlet where it talks about how you can style and care for the wig and how to wash it. For washing, you just want to put it in a loose ponytail and wash it with some shampoo, rinse it with cold water, blah blah blah. I really like the tip about keeping your wig nice and silky and luscious. Here it says dilute conditioner with water in ratio 1:4, so 1 part conditioner, 4 part water, and spray it and just kind of run your fingers through it. I haven't tried that, but I will on some of my other wigs, and when I review those I'll let you guys know how it actually works, because like I love the feel of these, so I think that is what they use to give them such a nice silky feel, and also kind of to dull a little bit the shine of it, because I don't like when the wig is so incredibly shiny that it looks like it's just latex or like some kind of elastic thing on your head. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on so you guys can see how it looks. You guys want to see how my bun comes apart? I know you guys didn't think that I actually have this much hair. It's just a donut. Haha. Oh yeah. That is mighty attractive. How you doing? Looks like this on the inside. It has combs on the sides and a comb at the bottom, and it has these little stretchy elastics that you can hook wherever you need to, so it fits your head nicely. This is how the red wig looks, and I really love it. It looks so awesome. Like, you can see the hairline is very natural, and it has like flaps back here that kind of cover your sideburns. But I love their styles and the curls that these wigs come in. very, very nice. I can't help but play with it. Like, ah, look at me in my bad self. They cost 65 British pounds, which is about $92, which is, it's a little bit more than I would want to pay for a wig, but I love them. They're quite amazing. They do ship from UK, and it takes about 2 weeks. It took about 2 weeks for them to come to US. I'm a pretty patient person, so 2 weeks is nice, no problem. And as you can see, this blue one is a little bit longer. This is the style Amber, and it is a little bit longer than Ellie, but it's also really nice. It does look a little bit more vibrant on camera than in person. It's just slightly more faded in person, but overall it's absolutely beautiful. And the pictures on the website are very much exact color to what you would see in person. So what comes off on camera might not be, but you will get what you see on the website. Again, the wigs are really nice. They feel just amazing, just really silky and smooth. Again, you can see the hairline. It looks really, really nice. I like the way it hugs my scalp, my head, and my head is an average size, so, and it fits really nice. I don't have to, like, you know, cross the bands in the back to like tighten it more, and it feels nice around my head overall. There's no like bunging of the wig in any area, because it just fits great. And I would say I have an average head. My head is not overly huge, just an average size head. I don't have measurements. Maybe I'll measure my head around and I'll put a number, and I'll put the measurement right here, what it is, what's the circumference of my head. Amazing wigs overall. I would definitely recommend them if you have 90 bucks to spend on a wig, but I would definitely buy more. I want to buy another red one from them that's like longer, because I'm just in love. And if you guys like wigs, or if you're interested in buying one, this is a company that you should look into. They're quite awesome. And I hope you guys enjoy this review, and I'll see you in my next one.